To make video search easier, you can configure an additional source when creating a configuration. It's called Multiscreen. In the I/O boards tab, add a new device. Select the Multiview role. Select the display type. Connect this device to the second monitor. This monitor displays sources connected to the server, without controls or the program interface. You can select the multi-screen layout from a list of pre-created configurations. Open the Tools menu. Select the Hardware Setup function. If the configuration was set correctly, the MV tab will appear in this window. Open this tab. Clicking the highlighted button will open an additional window. Here you can configure how audio signals are displayed over video on the Multiview screen. In the Layout field, you can select the multi-screen layout. Layout 0 is a uniform grid. Layout 1 displays cameras, focusing on the program output and preview output. Layout 2 displays only the preview output window. Layout 3 displays only the program output window. Layout 4 contains only camera signals. Layout 5 contains cameras in preview mode. Layout 6 includes the program output, preview output, camera signals, and cameras in preview mode. Some multi-screen types also display project information. For example, Layout 6. You can switch the multi-screen type using the Alt and Switch and buttons. The multi-screen type switches sequentially. If the available multi-screen types are insufficient, you can set up a custom type when creating a configuration. This allows us to position the sources as needed. To do this, select Custom Mode in the Layout field of the I/O Boards tab. After this, the Multiview settings window appears. Here you can arrange connected sources on the provided grid. You can also change the sizes of selected sources. If necessary, you can use preset settings. You can configure multi-screen switching on the engineering interface monitor. This feature is called MultiScreen. To activate it, when creating a configuration, you need to connect two devices to the same monitor output. After setting everything up, you can switch screens on the engineering interface monitor. Click the Graphics Port button. Using the Alt and Switch and buttons, you can change the appearance of the displayed multi-screen. The multi-screen type switches sequentially.